Are you struggling to maintain a large volume of data in Google Bigtable for extended periods? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to manage your data effectively while keeping costs down. I completely understand your concern. Many users face challenges when trying to store data during product development, performance tuning, or even for demos. It can be frustrating when costs pile up for idle nodes. Let's look at your specific question. You want to know how to store data in Google Bigtable without needing it to be online all the time. You mentioned the need for a production environment while also wanting to minimize costs. Sound familiar? Let's explore some solutions together. So what's the issue here? Google Bigtable is designed for high performance, but keeping nodes running all the time can be costly, especially when they are idle. Understanding this can help us find a workaround. Stay tuned. I have some valuable tips at the end that can help you manage your data storage costs effectively. To maintain data in Google Bigtable for longer periods without incurring high costs, the user can consider using a combination of storage options. First, they should explore the use of Google Cloud Storage for archiving data that does not need to be accessed frequently. Next, the user can implement a data lifecycle management strategy. This involves setting up rules to automatically move older data to cheaper storage options while keeping only the most relevant data in Bigtable. Additionally, the user should consider using Bigtable's ability to scale down the number of nodes during idle periods. This can help reduce costs significantly when the data is not actively being accessed. Finally, the user can explore using the Bigtable emulator for development and testing purposes. This allows them to simulate Bigtable's functionality without incurring costs associated with the production environment. Fun fact, did you know that Google Bigtable was originally developed for Google's own applications like search and maps? It's a powerful tool, but managing costs is key. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shares their experience with using Google Data Store for smaller projects. They mentioned that after disabling billing, the data remained accessible for years, although this might not be feasible for larger Bigtable projects due to high backup and restore costs. They expressed disappointment that Google hasn't provided a more effective solution for managing costs in Bigtable. They speculate that disabling a project could potentially move its assets to a lower-cost storage class, but this remains uncertain. Here's a pro tip. Regularly review your data usage and adjust your storage strategy accordingly. This can help you stay on top of costs and ensure you're using Bigtable efficiently. And there you have it. With these strategies, you can maintain your data in Google Bigtable without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.